I suggest a book for beginners in Bharatanatyam. That was the question asked. So this is the answer for that. Guru Dr. Padma Subramaniam's Bharatanatyam Codepad is one of the best book to read for beginners, and it is coming with 2 different languages. The copies are available in 2 different languages, that is English and Tamil. So those who are not comfortable with English, you can go with Tamil. Those who are in other different languages like Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, you can go with English. So that book contains very basic concepts of Bharatanatyam, which is easy to understand as well. So it is not that easy to understand the theory without the help of a teacher or a guru. But this book has a beautiful way of explaining about every concepts of Bharatanatyam. So make sure that you're going to use it, and I'll just come back with other few books also. So until then, you can read this particular book. Just start your journey with this book. Definitely you'll get an idea about the basic concepts of theory of Bharatanatyam. Thank you.